Hello, good evening everyone. How's the day going? This is Rahmatullah again. Actually, today I'm welcoming you to my channel with a different topic about business. So, what to consider in business? First, there are many major topics, but I'll just wanted to cover two topics of that particular topics. That is most important one. First one is customer, another one is competitor. Customer is the one you need must, who brings you the sale, right? So you need to learn about customer. You need to know about who is your customer, what he is doing, what he or she is doing, what their thinking, what their passions, what their habits, what they do. So these kind of things. So it doesn't mean that you have to get into the customer's house and check all those things. You have to research. You have to research. You have to go through Google. You have to Google it. You can go through forums like Reddit, Quora, or you can go to Facebook groups. You can go to Google sites. There are questionnaires. There are many. So in that way, you can come to know about this one. Customers, their pain points. Your exact customer. Let me say the example for the people who are doing business in hiking. You just search about them, what their interest, what they are doing, what are their pain points. So these kind of things will help you to know the customer more, and that can bring you the more better understanding of the customer, which will also help you to over deliver to the customer, which will bring the trust in between, mutual trust in between you and the customer. That is a great relationship. That will be the average order value of, that is lifetime value of the customer will be increased. If the relationship between you and the customer is great, then he will be a lifetime customer of yours. So this is what this is the thing about customer actually. So first, learn about your customer, build a mutual relationship. In the sense, when he become your customer, build a mutual relationship, make them know about your brand, your what about you, everything. Be transparent and authentic. So this is what in the customer sections. The next one is actually your competitor. So this one is another major topic. Who is your competitor? Check out. This will help you to get into know what he is doing, what you can do different from him, which will help you to sustain in the business for a long run. See, if you do the same as he does or your competitors does, then what is the use of? You are the 11th person in this business. Why people will buy from you? So try to, if you are let me give an example. If you are in clothing niche, see, there are vast competitors. So try to sub niche in the sense, go deeper. You can go to just nurses only sections, or you can get into some clothing section which is for older men only, or you can go into section the infant only, or in that infant you can try to sub niche again. That is what, see, this will help you to grow actually. See, if you compete with the big tail brands, then it doesn't the only thing you need to have backup, that is big billionaire backup, that will help you to bring the business. That is possible. But if you are starting up, if you are small scale business, you just starting up, then you need to learn about your competitors. So most of the things you can get it through Google or any other sites, Facebook sites or their websites, what they are doing, what is their price, what their offers, why do they do the what and why they do that one. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Okay, so these are the things you need to learn, and that you capture that one, you just twist and tweak with your own angle, that is called marketing angle. I will go that marketing angle in the separate section in the later on. So this is just a short video about any business. The two major thing is customer and your competitor, and others also there are sales funnels. These things I will cover in the next videos. So this is a short video. I just don't want to go much deeper in this section. You maybe learn a lot of things. So if you want to work with our team, you can click the link below in this section. So thank you very much. It's wonderful to be with you. Thank you very much, and bye bye. Peace out.